What's up, guys? Sabada Kaga here. Hope you guys are good. Hope you guys are well. Today I'm at a very special place. This is a place that I always visit whenever I'm in Joburg. If you guys know, you know. I'm always at this place live streaming. If you're not familiar with my live streams, head over to my TikTok, Sabada Kaga. I normally live stream all of the car events or some car meetups or car dealerships that I normally go to. This car, I have not been in it. It's gonna be my first time being in it. Drop your comments below and guess what car it is before I actually go. So ladies and gents, here we are right outside of Pharoah Auto Investments. You can see some beautiful cars in front of you, a whole lineup of G-Wagons. We've got two Lamborghini Uruses. Right there we've got a Bentley, we've got a Merc. Let's just walk around the building and let me show you what else we can see from the outside. Right here, ladies and gentlemen, we've got a Bentley there, we've got a Porsche 911 Carrera GTS, we've got a Porsche 911 GT3 RS, which is my favorite car. I'll take this car over all of them in the dealership. And we've got an SLS right there, we've got a Lamborghini LP 550 right there. We've got a Camaro ZL1 Bumblebee for those who know Transformers or have watched it. We've got another Porsche and we've got a G81 and another G81 in a stunning color. I don't know what color this is, but it's a very stunning color. And yeah, I mean, the cars here at Pharoah Auto Investments are proper, like they're proper. There's every single car brand under one roof, which makes my life a lot easier because I can just come and find them here. Like, imagine finding a whole American muscle right here. And we've got super cars right here in the dealership. We've got a Lamborghini LP 700 Aventador looking very stunning. Right next to it, we've got a nice bike there and Lamborghini Urus. You've got multiple SUVs like your Range Rovers and then the G-Wagons, of course, that we saw outside right here, looking very, very stunning. So yeah, hope you guys have dropped your comments down below to guess what car we'll be in. That car is in the dealership right now as I'm speaking. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe. Let's get into the car and go for that drive. So ladies and gentlemen, here it is, the Lamborghini Urus, the one that we're going to be getting inside of. Obviously, we're going to be sitting passenger and there's going to be a driver obviously taking us on a drive. 4-liter V8 twin turbo with a Novitec exhaust. That is what I'm also excited for because I know the crackles on this are going to sound absolutely insane. Check out the paint. Look at this. It's like a very, I don't know if this is like satin black or what it is. You guys can tell me in the comments, but this honestly looks amazing and sounds amazing. So we're gonna head to the back and perhaps before we leave, we're gonna request if we can just hear it rev just a bit. If not, then you guys will just hear it on the drive. Let's listen to this exhaust, ladies and gents. Yeah guys, we're in this Lamborghini Urus. Let's go ahead and hear that sound. Go ahead, brother. Hey, hell, brother. I don't know if you guys are hearing this, but the sound's mad insane. Obviously, it's my first time in a Lamborghini Urus. I've been wanting to be in one, and just the first pull alone is blowing my mind away. It's quite insane. Yo, can't wait to hear this car some more. Fucking hell, brother. Listen to those crackers there at the back. Woo! Man, insane. Yeah, let's close the windows just a bit there. But surely you could hear it on the, like, once you're inside there. Oh my goodness. When I checked the bro. 2022 Lamborghini Urus here. Very stunning sounding with the Novitec exhaust and interior, obviously that looks amazing. Exterior looks amazing. And yeah, this is a car that you'd have fun with most of the days. Going to work, coming back from work, having it on the weekend and just driving it, it's just amazing. You'd enjoy it without even thinking about the petrol price. It's quite a sick car. This would sound insane if it was in a tunnel. Yes. Listen to this, guys. The guys are waiting right there for that reaction. Some entertainment while they keep our country clean. We appreciate them. Listen to the whistles out there, brother. The way this car pulls, bro. 4-liter V8, brother. That car just pulls like it's mad. Just put it in Corsa and enjoy your day. That's all I'm saying. Forget about the petrol. We'll worry about that when the car warns us about our petrol gauge being too low. For now, we enjoy the pipes. Spirit. Bro, I don't know about you, but I am certainly enjoying the experience in this Lamborghini Urus. Can find this car at Pharoah Auto Investments, right here in Sandton on Winnie Mandela Drive. Check them out. They've got more than enough cars to make your day smile, make your day brighter, make your day like amazing. I mean, you always know, if you've been in my live streams, you always know whenever I'm in Joburg, I'm always live streaming in the dealerships because I've got amazing cars under one roof. Ladies and gents, still in the 4-liter V8 powered Lamborghini Urus. Beautiful car. You can hear the crackles there at the back. The Novitec exhaust sounding very amazing.
Full custom exhaust.
Full custom exhaust.
By Pharoah.
By Pharoah. Of course, they also do modifications by 6-pack customs, which is where again?
1515 Street, Marlborough, Sandton.
There you go, guys. You've got that information. So if you've got your car that you also want to have a bit of that sweet taste from the exhaust, go ahead there and check them out and tell them what you need, and they will make sure that your car comes out sounding sweet and also looking sweet as well. So ladies and gents, now we're outside. Of course, there is the dealership right there, Pharoah Auto Investment, where you can find yourself some beautiful cars. I mean, the G-Wagon that we saw earlier on looks amazing. So what we're gonna do now is just an exterior shot of that Lamborghini's Urus coming up, as you can see. Look at how menacing this looks. Absolutely menacing. Just check out the exterior. Look at how the color looks. Just Fortunately, if you guys can see on the screen, there's a reason why we did not full send it at that point. There's a Lamborghini Urus coming through. That thing sounds so amazing.